Hi guys, I'm Olivia and today I'm here to unpack our new term gift box. Let me open it. Hello, okay, hello. Show you guys. We open the keyring first. It's our school logo. And we got a small tag. It is Love KSS. Next one is our school badge. I like this color. Want to change? It's my old school badge. Oops. Ta-da! Next one is mini fan. Now it's really hot in Shenzhen. It's like that. Also got a school logo here. It's a low, medium, and high. Good. And we got the charger as well. And next one is our school notebook. Wow. I like this. And I got this last year as well. It's pretty good. Last thing is our total bag. I can't wait to hold it. Let's go.